In modern medicine, precision means the difference between success and failure. Among the most critical components used in orthopedic surgery are medical bone screws, tiny but powerful devices that secure fractures and help bones heal. Starting with medical-grade titanium, our CNC machines shape each rod with micron-level accuracy. This ensures perfect threading and stability once implanted. With advanced multi-axis machining, we cut threads that match surgical requirements, smooth, sharp, and consistent, so surgeons can rely on flawless performance. Every screw begins with premium-grade titanium alloy, chosen for its biocompatibility, strength, and lightweight properties. This material ensures the implant will not only endure stress inside the human body, but also integrate safely without causing rejection. Bone screws must achieve a delicate balance, sharp enough to anchor firmly into bone, yet smooth enough to avoid unnecessary tissue damage. High-speed CNC thread milling ensures that every groove is consistent, but reliable and free of defects. What may look like a small piece of metal is, in reality, the result of advanced engineering and uncompromising precision. Medical screws represent the perfect fusion of material science, CNC technology, and human care, restoring mobility and improving lives, one patient at a time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on CNC and precision machining.